Current Affairs, 12 July 2020. Labour Ministry notifies draft rules under Wage Code. The Labour and Employment Ministry has notified the draft Code on Wages rules under the Code on Wages, 2019, which would fix a national floor minimum wage based on minimum living standard including food, clothing, housing and any other factors prescribed by the government. In the new draft rules for minimum wage law, the centre has reduced normal working hours in a day to 8 hours from 9 proposed in the earlier version released last November. Delhi government cancels upcoming semester final exams of universities under it due to COVID-19. Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia announced all examinations, including final exams, to be conducted in universities under the city-state's government stand cancelled in the wake of the COVID-19 crisis. The minister added that degrees will be awarded to students on the basis of evaluation parameters decided by the universities. Google to invest $900 million in Italy in 5 years. U.S. tech giant Google announced it is investing more than $900 million over 5 years to speed up Italy's digital transformation in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The investment project, called Italia in Digitale, Digital Italy, includes the launch of 2 Google Cloud regions in partnership with Italian telecoms company Telecom Italia Mobile, TIM, as well as a new initiative for Italian small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. PNB to raise up to 10,000 crore rupees via issue of equity shares bonds. The Board of Punjab National Bank (PNB) approved the proposal to raise up to 10,000 crore rupees through equity and debt. In a regulatory filing, the bank said that it will seek shareholders' approval for raising of equity capital for an amount up to 7,000 crore rupees in the forthcoming annual general meeting, AGM. DCGI approves psoriasis injection for restricted emergency use to treat COVID-19 patients. The Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, has approved restricted emergency use of atezolizumab injection for treating moderate to severe COVID-19 disease cases. The approval has been granted based on clinical trial data that has shown promise, officials aware of the matter said. Cipla launches generic version of Remdesivir, Ciprimi, at 4,000 rupees per vial. Pharma major Cipla said it has launched its generic version of antiviral drug Remdesivir at 4,000 rupees per vial, which is among the lowest globally, and is looking to supply over 80,000 vials within the first month. Honda and CATL sign agreement to form strategic alliance on batteries for new energy vehicles. Honda and Contemporary Amperix Technology Co., Limited have signed an agreement to form a comprehensive strategic alliance on new energy vehicle batteries to strengthen the strategic partnership and promote the popularization of electrified vehicles. This agreement will enable the two companies to begin discussions on a broad range of areas including joint development, stable supply, and the recycling and reuse of batteries. SaaS unicorn Freshworks acquires cloud management platform Flint. Software as a services company Freshworks Inc. has acquired cloud management platform Flint, a Singapore and India-based firm that helps its clients to integrate different cloud services and accelerate the digital transformation. Veteran BBC broadcaster Kailash Budhwa passes away. Kailash Budhwa, who had a distinguished career in BBC in London since 1969, became the first Indian to head any BBC section in 1979 and mentored a generation of journalists over the decades, has died aged 88. Wimbledon to disburse prize money among 620 players despite cancellation. The prize money set aside for the Wimbledon Championships will be distributed to 620 players who were set to take part at this year's cancelled tournament, the All England Lawn Tennis Club, AELTC, said. Wimbledon, which was initially scheduled for June 29 to July 12, was cancelled for the first time since World War II due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has killed more than 44,000 people in the United Kingdom. Ben Stokes second fastest to reach 4,000 runs and 150 wickets in Test cricket. England all-rounder Ben Stokes became the second fastest Test cricketer to reach the milestone of 4,000 Test runs and 150 Test wickets under his belt. The New Zealand-born cricketer achieved the historic feat while batting on day 3 when he scalped Alzarri Joseph's wicket. Stokes finished the first innings with 4 for 49 in 14 overs.